Hello and thank you for visiting my channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful Christmas wreath from Dollar Tree items. I will be using this garland and wreath metal base that I both got from Dollar Tree. I'm wrapping the garland around the metal base using hot glue. I only used 1 pack of garland, but you can also make it more fuller by using 2 or more. The garland was really very long and it was hard for me to wrap it around, so I cut it into shorter pieces before I started wrapping it around the metal base. I also got these flowers from Dollar Tree. So I think like 6 pieces was also $1. I got white and red, but you are free to get any color combinations that you want. So I'm cutting them into pieces before I start putting them in. I'm attaching the flowers one at a time using hot glue. And again, there's no right or wrong here, so feel free to use your own imagination on what color combination would look good for you. You can also stick some more greens in between if that's what you prefer. Another idea is to use Christmas balls and put it in between flowers, or you can also use any Christmas ornaments that you want. Now I will be using these painted pine cones that I got from Dollar General, and I got them for only $1, so that's a good deal, and I'll be using them as an accent. I'll put the cherries first. The cherry came with a flower, so that's a good thing. I didn't have to purchase it separately. And then I'll be putting the pine cones beneath that. I will also do the same thing on the other side. I got this mini cathedral from Dollar Tree as well, and I will be using this as the highlight at the bottom. I'm attaching it using hot glue, and make sure you put a lot so that it will be stable. And then I'll add some more cherries and pine cones at the bottom for an accent. Once you're done, you can just use a door hanger and hang it on your door. And now this is our finished product. Again, feel free to use your own imagination. This is just a sample, but you can make your own color combination, and you can use your own ornaments that you want to put in, and you can really make your own design that will suit your style.